So it was only yesterday that we were talking that there is a long build up in Bank Nifty, and look at Bank Nifty, look at the move Bank Nifty has done and see what is happening in the market. I think Bank Nifty is almost just 50 or 100 points away from lifetime high, and Nifty is already in the lifetime high. It's around 17,650 or something else. The main reason was that our finance minister Nirmala Sitharaman has told that the cabinet has given approval green signal for NARCL, that is National Asset Reconstruction. Non-performing assets in bank are going to be shifted to NARCL, and they are going to handle it. I don't know much about NARCL. I just got a simple glimpse of it. What is NARCL? If you want, you can go and Google it and see what has happened to Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty has shooted up. Not a single stock in Bank Nifty is in the red. All the stocks are in the green. So this was expected, and this was in line with our expectation only, and we were taking some trades. So today morning I did a strangle in Bank Nifty, and we were able to make some profit in spite of Bank Nifty moving so much. The reason was India VIX was really good. Usually India VIX wouldn't be too much in expiry day trades, but today what has happened is India VIX was really good, and we were able to make some money, not good money, some money in Bank Nifty. And due to India VIX being very high, you know what will happen, premiums were also high, and we were able to short the market on today's expiry, that is 16th expiry. This is about this is what knowledgeable, like this is what people know. This news have been factored in. Yesterday itself they have started building long positions. See, connected peoples who are having connections, and they know what is happening in the markets would have bought call options or would have shorted the market. They would have shorted put options yesterday in Bank Nifty, and look at the move it has made. Excellent move. Bank Nifty alone, let me show you. Yeah, Bank Nifty alone today from 36,900 it has gone to around 37,682. Around 800 points move in one single trading session is something really great. So this kind of move is going to be good, right? Good or bad, I don't know, but we will see. But what I am trying to say is this was expected. We were telling yesterday there is a long build up in Bank Nifty, and today also there is a long build up both in Nifty and Bank Nifty, and we are going to see a lifetime high very soon. 18,000, we are going to touch 18,000, maybe even in next week we might touch 18,000. So that's what I think. We'll see the data, but what I think, you know, it's my personal view. Whenever these are the times retail people will go and buy all these things. You know, last 4 or 5 trading session, FIS have been continuously buying since till yesterday. They have been buying, and I am sure today also they would have bought. And when the buying exaggerates, or when the FIS buy and they convince the retail people to buy options or buy stocks, and that is the time they short the market. I don't know whether the market is going to reverse, and I don't see any thing that is bad news or anything. They don't care. You see, even US futures are only if you check the Dow historical data for the last 3 months, it has been consolidating. In July, let me see, in July month, Dow futures, Dow was around I think 36,500 or 800. Still it is there only, 36,800. But see our markets, we are rallying, we are shooting. Last 3 months we have shooted more than how much? Nifty alone has moved more than 1,500, 1,600 points, and Bank Nifty last 2 or 3 trading session it has shooted up very much. So that's a good news for us. So let's see what is happening in the market. Like if you see here, there is a active calls. Bank Nifty. Excellent performance by Bank Nifty. Long build up is happening in the Bank Nifty, and if you see the discount to premium, it's trading at a premium. So remember this always. If the futures, so remember this, whenever the futures are trading at a premium, you are going to see a market on the bullish side, and the same scenario is in the Nifty as well. Nifty also there is a long build up, but what I'm seeing here is the Nifty future is trading at a discount, so that might I don't know whether it is going to cause a problem or not. Massive call put writing in 75,000, so people are writing massive number of puts. Just now I was telling that there are the FII started buying, and when we see one big green candle, we retailers jump in, and when we try to go long in the market, everybody will short in the market. So they say very popular word is there, saying is there, that retail people are the last people to get the information. I don't know, but we will see what is happening. So I think our stance is you should be going long either in Bank Nifty or Nifty, both indices you should be going long. And the very interesting part was that ITC shorted up today very much. So historically, if you see, ITC doesn't move. So many people write covered calls in ITC, but it was very surprising that ITC has moved so much. So yesterday Z Entertainment moved in spite of issues in the board, and today ITC is moving. So nowadays we are getting so much of positive news, which eventually takes the markets on the higher side. Now what about the strategies? What strategies you are going to do? Are you going to do a non-directional neutral strategies in this kind of market? August alone Nifty has moved more than 1300 points, and this month in September it has moved more than 400 or 500 points. So how are you going as an option seller? How are you going to do this, manage the market? It is very tough, right? If you know any strategies or what you think, let me know in the comment section below what you think about the market. So see, markets are moving. As an option seller, you are an option seller. You are making money only if the market trends, if the only if the market is range bound. Now markets are trending, markets are moving in one direction, it's moving on the upper side. So how do you manage? What strategies you use? If you just let us know, it would be of good information. So we are here for a mutual learning only. So let us see what is happening in the market. And FII data is of, as I told you, there is a good buying interest by both FIIs and DIIs. Yesterday also they have bought both FIIs and DIIs have been buying. See, for the last from 9th onwards, FIIs have pumped more than how much? 3,700 crores, and DIIs hardly sold anything. So both DIIs and FIIs are buying in this stage. So I don't think we should be shorting the market. We should also be going long in the market. So that's what I think. So let us see how things pan out. And expiry, as I told you, we had a straddle. I think we had some strangle in Bank Nifty, and I had an iron fly in Nifty. Both didn't work. This was the trade I have taken. Hardly I have made 5,000, even 5,000. See, I had an iron fly in Nifty. After the break even point was around 17,500. Around 17,600 something, and you see the market has shorted up to 17,600. So I was very fortunate enough. There was a small reversal in the second part of the trading session. I think after the European markets were open, then I just exited the trade. Even the European market, if you see European markets are not really performing. It is flat, and US futures are also flat. In spite of this, our markets are moving because we got a trigger from this finance ministry. And if you see Bank Nifty, I did a strangle, sold 37,100 put and 37,700 call option. So market was moving very violently. You cannot make money if the market is trending. You cannot make money if the market is moving, right? So that is what has happened here, and we were lucky enough to exit the trade with a profit of around 4,726. So that's a very small thing. That's not of any significance. And if you see the open interest data, I'm sure you must be aware. So today is an expiry. We cannot see any data. It would be irrelevant. So tomorrow we will see the data, what is happening in the open interest side. So that's it for today, and I hope you enjoy this video. Take care. Bye.